Easy vegan molletes. Let's go. So we're going to start with some bread. So normally you would use I think it's a bolillo, kind of like French bread style rolls, but this is all I could find. So this is what I'm using. We're just going to cut it in half lengthwise and then cut it into like little pieces. And then we're going to put it in the oven like 400 degrees for just a couple minutes to get it kind of toasty, maybe like 4 or 5 minutes. And then I'm going to take a little garlic clove here and I cut it in half and then I'm just going to rub it on there like you would like garlic bread, right? And then we're going to take a little vegan butter. We're going to spread that baby on there. Just a little bit. It's all you need. I love the country crock. Let it like get a little soft, right? And then our baby shit. Our refried beans. And then you guys, Walmart has vegan cheese. I didn't realize. I didn't know. We already used that one on the cauliflower one, but I wanted to try this one. This is not a Mexican style. It's mozzarella and cheddar, which is a little peculiar. But anyway, so I wanted to give it a whirl. So we're gonna try that bad boy on there, and then we're just gonna put it back in the oven, till the cheese gets a little melty, which I didn't do so well because I was really hungry and I wanted to eat it. But then you're going to top it with whatever you want. I did some avo and pico and oh, you guys, look at how beautiful a little lime juice. Oh my gosh. It's like a tostada basically, but on French bread, right? And I got to tell you, it's a 10 out of 10 for me, fam. Full written recipe, as per usual, will be linked below, midnightmunchiesandmore.com. Make sure you subscribe. I got to keep using these refried beans. I had so many left over. Okay, love you. Bye.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up. Hey, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up. Hey, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning.